Hi, this is Suman from Digital Trickster Software Solutions. I'm presenting you our new plugin, PayPal Membership Subscription. Let's get to it. After I install the plugin, please go to the site administration and please scroll down. You'll see a menu, Membership. And under Membership, you'll see 4 settings panel. One is Membership Plan Settings. The second one is Membership Payment Settings. The third one is Membership Email Settings. And the fourth one is Membership License Settings. Let's go to the first one. What is the license settings? So let's go to the plans. We see that there are 3 plans created by us. So this is the plan settings. Here the setting is number of membership plans. We need to create 3 membership plans. So the option is 3. So as soon as we select the option 3, we get 3 settings panel for each membership plan. The first one, you type your text, the name of the membership, the first one, and the expiry duration, the membership daily fee. If you want a daily fee for your membership installment, then you can select the daily fee. The membership daily interval value, that is after if you select 1, it will be the user who is subscribed to this plan will have to pay daily, and if you select 2, that means the user will have to pay after 2 days. So in every 2 days. So and the membership daily interval cycle, the cycle means how many times the user will have to pay. If you select 10 here, that means the member will pay the amount 10 times. And if we keep this blank, this one, the daily options blank, that means the administrator doesn't want to offer daily membership fee. And the administrator have 3 options to create membership plans. That is, the first one is the daily option. The second one is weekly option, the monthly option, and he can also choose to offer yearly fee. Okay, the settings are the same for the weekly. That is the same. For example, if you want to offer the weekly installment payment for your course, then you need to select the fee of the course, the weekly fee of the course, membership weekly interval value. That means after which week he needs to pay again. For example, if you select 2, then he needs to pay every after 2 weeks. And the membership interval cycle means how many times he has to pay that fee. Right now we have selected only, and if you keep the weekly options blank, that means the administrator doesn't want to offer the weekly fee, weekly installment option. Right now we have selected, for the silver plan, we have selected membership monthly fee. We want to offer only the monthly payment option. So we have selected the monthly fee is 3. So that means the 3 USD will be charged in each month. And membership monthly interval value means 3, means in every 3 months he'll have to pay. And the membership monthly interval cycle 15 means 15 times he'll have to pay. Okay, now let's see. If I go to the silver tier plan, see, USD3 after every 3 months for 15 times. Okay, and of course these are okay. We'll get to it. So there is also an yearly fee option. If you want to offer the yearly fee option, then you can fill up the details, just like we fill the monthly option. And then for the silver tier, for the first tier, you can select the courses that you want to offer, and it will pop up here. Right now the silver tier, we have only selected demo course 1, and it is already fetched and shown here, right? So we'll subscribe to the silver tier, will be enrolled automatically into the demo course 1, right? So the next one is gold tier. That means this tier. Then the settings are the same, just like the previous one, all the things, but here you get to select select which are the extra codes that the users get if they subscribe to this plan. For example, if they select this plan, he'll get the smaller membership plan, the courses which are under smaller membership plan plus the courses. You need to select the extra courses only. For example, we have selected demo course to these 3, 4, 5, 6 courses, right? So let's see. So if I go to the gold tier, you see everything is a silver tier plan. Everything is silver tier plan means we have only demo course 1. So we have the demo course 1 plus these 4 courses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 courses. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 courses. Okay. So now one thing you can see is in the gold tier, we have selected the daily, we have filled the details of the daily option as well as the weekly option, as well as the monthly option, as well as the yearly option. So the admin is offering 4 different type of payment for the users to choose from for this subscription, gold tier subscription. Let's see. Let's select this plan. Let's see. There are 4 options, and users can choose whatever he wants, and voila, he is already, when the payment is processed, he is already enrolled, right? Yep. So the admin is already subscribed to this plan. So these are the courses that are under, I have, the admin has access to all these courses that are under gold tier. Similarly, if I go to the diamond tier, that is tier 3, then these are, if we, put only 0 here, that means the course is free. Okay. And all we need to do is just, add the extra courses, because it will also automatically comprise all the courses that the previous tiers has. Okay. So for example, if I go to this plan, diamond tier plan, I can see everything is gold tier plan. That means, and the gold tier has everything is silver tier plan. That means when he is subscribed to the diamond tier, that means he has access to, so all these courses in the gold tier plus the extra courses that you want to offer the diamond tier. Okay. So as I am already subscribed to the gold tier, it's my active plan. So if I choose, I can downgrade my plan anytime, and I can upgrade my plan anytime by paying for it. Okay. So that is clear. So let's go to these settings. How can you add, and there is also another thing. There are 2 menus under the membership menu. There are 2 sub menus. There is the plan page and there is the dashboard page. If I go to the dashboard as an admin, I'll see the sales report, the transaction details, and the members and the plan name, the subscription ID of Stripe subscription ID, of course, the Stripe subscription status, and the admin has the option to cancel the subscription of a user anytime he wants. Okay. And the sales report, the gold tier, how many users subscribe, the percentage of the users of the total users have subscribed, the diamond tier and the silver tier. Okay. So if I go to the site administration, so the question that comes into anyone's mind is, how do we add these menus, right? So we go to site administration, then appearance, then go to the theme settings, then we can add custom menus. Custom menus, we add these lines, membership, under that, plans, logo, this one. We'll just follow this protocol, this template. For example, it is an example of FAQ page if you want to use a FAQ page. So you'll use the same template, but it will be the plan, that is the name of the submenu, then /local/membership/plan.php, that is the plans page, and for dashboard you have to add local/membership/dashboard.php, and you have this menus, right? So it's done. So then the most important settings, the membership payment settings, right? So you can allow the PayPal sandbox for testing, and you can just go to if you disable it, that means it is live now. So, and you can select the payment currency using the drop down. And how do you get these details? That is a question that comes into your mind anytime. So what you do is you go to the developer.paypal.com there. Then you can create an app. Minded that you need to create REST API apps. Right? You can create sandbox apps, or the live apps. In the live apps, I have created 2 apps. If I click on it, sorry, I predicted my internet connection. What has happened to it? So what I wanted to say is, if you can switch between these apps, and when you create these apps, you just click on it and it will give you these details that you need to put in here. Okay, and there and there is another settings, that is the membership email settings. These are the shortcodes. For example, main subject by any tier. You can change these options, but not these shortcodes, because the shortcodes are used to fetch automatically the names automatically, the subscription names, right? So you can change these text to anything you want, but please do not using the shortcodes. You have the shortcodes, you can you can use the shortcodes, because the shortcodes will fetch the full name, means the user's full name, the subscription name, the subscription ID, subscription currency, subscription amount, etc. So you can change the text, and you can select, if you want to send mail to the admins or to the students. And then there is license settings. You just need to, put the license settings in there, license key in there. So that's it.